That is a payment that I got on PayPal for literally just using Google Translate. It's simple. Literally all you have to do is take some text right here, actually plug it into Google Translate, and then literally all you have to do to get paid is... Yo, what is up, baby shirt gang? Welcome back to another video, or should I say video. Boom, translated. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $500 per day, literally just by using Google Translate. I know that's hard to believe, but I will prove to you that it's possible by the end of this video. I will also be proving to you that it's possible from anywhere in the world and that it's completely free to get started. So I know I get comments every single video saying, Kevin, can I do this from Zimbabwe or the Philippines? Yes, you can. You can do this from anywhere in the world, so do not even think about commenting that on this video. First things first, if you guys are new here, make sure you do two quick things. Tap on that little like button until it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm, and also tap on that little red subscribe button right around here somewhere and join the Bell Squad. Why? Because we're the littest family on YouTube and you want to be informed every time we drop a brand new video teaching you the best ways to make money on the internet. If you don't like money, you don't have to like the video, you don't have to subscribe either, but if you do, make sure you join the strongest family on YouTube. So we've noticed that you guys have actually been loving the riddles, which has been super funny reading everybody's responses, so we're gonna keep that going while you guys still like it. So if you want to be our next $1,000 course giveaway winner, all you have to do is comment on this video and be the first person to actually guess the answer to today's riddle, which is what has many keys but can't open a single lock? If you are the first person to get the answer right on this video, commenting it down below, you will win a course valued at $1,000. So today we are going to be teaching you how to make $500 per day just by using Google Translate. Basically what we're going to be showing you how to do is actually find people that want to pay you to translate documents, and the best part is you don't even have to actually speak the language. So today we're going to be teaching you how to actually earn $500 per day just to use Google Translate, and I know that sounds hard to believe, but I will prove it to you. And so we're going to get into that in just one second, but I did want to start giving some shout outs to some of our most successful students who just have crazy stories. So today I want to give a big shout out to Joshua F, who joined my course a little over a year ago. He was a bartender at the Las Vegas Strip. He said he has terrible ADHD, he's dyslexic, he's only read 2 books his whole life, but he's actually on pace this year, 1 year after buying the course, to do $2 million with his Amazon business. So shout out to you, Joshua F, and all of you guys. We've had so many success stories every single day, but I want to start actually sharing the love and shouting you guys out on my YouTube, so keep them coming and we will give you guys shout outs as they actually come pouring in. All right, so let's actually get into the video. So the first website that we're going to be talking about today is called LATIUM.org. Now essentially what LATIUM.org is, it's another site similar to sites like Upwork and Fiverr or Freelance, where you can actually complete projects for people and get paid to do it. So once you actually set up a completely free account inside of LATIUM.org, you can see that there's actually a bunch of different ways to make money. You can make thousands and thousands of dollars from this website, just leveraging the actual skills or services that you can provide. But today we're going to be focusing, like we talked about, on how to make money using Google Translate with no pre-existing skills, and you don't even have to speak the language. And the cool thing about this strategy is you can actually use it in a lot of different ways, because the more sites that you actually sign up on, the more jobs that you can eventually receive, and the more potential money you can make. So there's a lot of different websites you can do this, like translate.com, Gango, right, Fiverr, Upwork, and you can create multiple profiles and actually offer the same exact service for all of those profiles. And you can offer translation services for many different languages, right? Because Google is extremely smart, and Google actually knows how to basically speak every language, which means that you also know how to speak every language. And if you're thinking to yourself, but Kevin, why can't these people just use Google Translate themselves? Well, we'll actually answer that in a second, which is kind of the key to why this strategy works so well. But the first step that we're gonna actually do to get this strategy going is we're going to sign up for a free account on LATIUM.org. And there's actually a cool way that you can get a completely free bonus just for signing up for LATIUM, which I'm gonna show you guys how to do and how to get that cash bonus in just a second. So what we're looking for once we actually create our profile on LATIUM is actually a post looking for translation services. Like I said before, right? Translate, Gango, Upwork, Fiverr. There's so many different freelance websites out there where people are constantly asking for translation services. And you can see that there's a lot of these posts out there, people asking for documents to be translated, text, subtitles for videos, all sorts of things where people are willing to pay for translation services. And again, if you're thinking to yourself, but Kevin, why don't these people just use Google Translate themselves? Well, my question to you would be, why aren't you a hedge fund billionaire like Warren Buffett? Probably because you don't know how to be, and neither do I, right? People have access to different information and different skill sets. Not everybody knows that Google Translate exists. Not everybody knows how to use Google Translate, but you do, right? And you understand that Google Translate, even though it's not perfect, right? I know there's gonna be people in the comments saying, but Kevin, Google Translate isn't perfect. How could I possibly do something that's not perfect? Well, if you wanna be perfect, you can go be perfect and not make any money. Or if you wanna not be perfect and get out a really good, solid, 90% plus accurate translation instantly, then you can use Google Translate. So once we actually find someone requesting translation services, whether it be subtitles or translating documents, what we're gonna do is we're actually going to take that actual gig and we are going to accept it and we are gonna fulfill on it. And we're gonna take the document or the subtitles that they have, we're gonna copy it and we're gonna put it into Google Translate. You can see that Google Translate will detect what language that actually is, and then all you have to do is change the language that you want the output to be, right? The final language that you want to translate into, and Google Translate will take that original text and translate it automatically for you and spit out a final version. And again, like I said before, the cool thing about this is you can sign up for multiple different services, accept all of the gigs in all of the different languages, right? It doesn't have to be just Spanish. Google Translate works with pretty much every language in the world, so you can accept all these types of services and gigs where people want to have things translated, and you can use Google to actually do this on your behalf because Google, like I said before, is pretty dang smart. So step 3 and the most important step is actually getting paid. Once you've actually submitted your work and submitted your translation, you will get paid generally within about 24 hours. And if you want to actually receive your free bonus on the LATIUM website, you can get paid into something called a LATIUM wallet, where if you do get paid that way, they'll actually give you a $1 bonus for accepting your first payment into what's called the LATIUM wallet. Yes, $1, it's not gonna probably change the world, but you know, free money is free money. So to really take this to the next level, guys, what I would recommend is to find every single freelance site out there, constantly be scanning for people that want translation services, accept every single one of the gigs, and then you'll get better and better at actually formatting, making sure that you're giving people exactly what they want. You'll learn how subtitles work, because the thing is, guys, you get good at what you do. And so you wanna really start creating profiles, building some experience, right? Trying to over deliver, even charging less than some other people might charge to do the exact same thing. And then you'll build up equity in your actual freelance profiles, and you'll be able to start accepting more and more and more gigs and make more and more and more money actually doing this, leveraging the good old power of Google Translate. And so if you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below, make money online. And if we get 1,000 comments that say make money online, we will again release a brand new strategy that's even crazier than this to make a huge amount of money online, even if you have no experience from anywhere in the world. So comment down below, make money online. If you get 1,000 comments, we'll drop a brand new video showing you exactly how to do that. And did you know we actually have a second YouTube channel called More Kevin David? So make sure you actually subscribe to that down below, where we teach you live the best new ways to make money online. You can ask questions, you can talk to me personally, other entrepreneurs. It's awesome. Or if you like podcasts, we actually just created a brand new podcast YouTube channel where we're hosting our top 25 in the world podcast called The Kevin David Experience, where we bring on the best and brightest millionaires, multimillionaires, and billionaires from all around the world to talk about business and how to actually start from the beginning. So subscribe to both of those channels down below for giveaways and fun stuff and a bunch of learning and awesome things. And if you want to continue learning on this channel, we have a brand new playlist coming to you live in the center of your screen, and make sure you click it in 3, 2, 1. See you there. Click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you'll like it. Click the playlist. See you soon. Peace.